Confirm a consistent 2-foot treated band around the foundation and focus treatments at entry points to verify your bug barrier is complete. When you inspect a Pesti Smart Pest Plan application, look for a continuous 2-foot band of visible treatment material along the soil line around the entire foundation, keeping an eye for gaps behind decking, HVAC units, and landscaping. Check windows and exterior doors for residue or granules in the weep lines and along thresholds where insects commonly cross. If you cannot see residue, gently probe with a gloved fingertip to confirm presence without disturbing the material. Inspect special features such as crawlspace vents, garage perimeters, and utility penetrations for targeted spot treatments and ensure those spots match the color or texture of the surrounding treated band. Walk the perimeter slowly in daylight and from multiple angles to catch shadowed gaps, and use a flashlight held low to highlight uneven coverage during dusk or dawn inspections. If you see mulch piled high against siding or soil touching wood, note these as areas that interfere with the barrier and request corrective edging to restore the 2-foot treated band. Keep a simple checklist on your phone listing foundation, continuous band, doors and windows, special penetrations, and landscape interruptions so you can document and communicate any missing coverage clearly. If you are unsure whether a product was applied or has degraded, take a photo with a close and wide shot for comparison over time and to share with your service provider for follow-up. Common mistakes include assuming the barrier is complete when only a portion was treated, failing to check under plantings and around air conditioning units, and overlooking concentrated entry points like pet doors and utility lines. Ask for a full walk-around demonstration from the technician so they show treated zones rather than just claiming completion. Another frequent issue is mulch or soil covering the treated band, which masks the barrier and reduces effectiveness. Request edging or a gap of 2 to 3 inches between mulch and foundation and ask the technician to reapply in those areas. A third concern is relying solely on visual residue that may fade over time, so schedule routine inspections at least every 3 months and photograph treated bands after each service to track degradation and trigger timely retreatment. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange practical inspection tips and share photos for peer feedback.